Hello and welcome to my channel, Mathematics Like a Boss. As you can probably guess from the name, my channel is all about learning maths. If you watch all of our videos, you will have most of the tools needed to ace your A-level mathematics course. The only things that will be missing are some of the specialized areas of math which differ from different exam boards. However, all the core aspects will be taught here, such as algebra, calculus, geometry, statistics and mechanics. For those interested, I'm actually basing my math course on the WJEC exam board, as that's the one I did myself and I'm the most familiar with. However, as I've said, most of the exam boards teach most of the same stuff and only differ in a few small areas. A few words about how this is going to work and how I'm going to go about teaching you through these YouTube videos. First of all, I'm going to split up the maths course into different areas such as algebra, statistics, geometry, and in some cases we'll focus just on one module and cover it from back to back. So for example, the first module we're going to be covering is the Algebra 1 module, which covers 12 different topics in basic algebra. Now we're going to do that back to back. Once we finish algebra, however, we'll probably start multiple modules and study them at the same time. The course is going to be split up into two key areas. One is theory and the other is practice. In the theory aspect, I'll be creating for you videos which go through the principles of mathematics which you're going to need to know. And then in the practice, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of exercises to do, which I will then later cover in a separate video where I will cover every single question I give you. So you have the added benefit of not only being taught the principles, but also getting to apply them and then seeing me do them so that you can develop a intuition of how you should be tackling these problems. But be warned, I will give you a lot of work to do. This is by no means going to be something easy, something you can just sit back and, well, I guess it could be as well. I mean, you could just sit back and listen to all of my theory ones, but if you really want to get the maximum benefit from what I'm offering you, you should really do some of the exercises I will be setting you, if not all of them, and then look through my videos to see how I go about tackling them myself and see how well you did as well and learn from your mistakes that way. So it's more or less like exactly what you would get at your sixth form or college or wherever you're studying at. The only difference is you're doing it through the form of videos and online rather than having a face-to-face contact. So with that said, I don't think there's anything else I really need to say to you, other than the fact that our first module we're going to be covering is algebra, and that's going to be in the next video along. I hope you stick with us, and I hope you derive a lot of benefit from us, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.